The workshops are a great opportunity to get hands-on understanding of what's going on from an internal comms perspective. Because the sessions are so interactive, it allows for myself to engage with people at my table. It also allows for me to kind of ask questions of the people that are actually on stage. So if you're thinking about attending the workshops, I would totally attend. The dynamic is completely different from what you're experiencing on the second and third day, primarily because it is very intimate. You know, there are a lot less people. You get to actually practice what's being preached. I think for us as communicators, it's huge. I love this conference. Again, it gives myself an opportunity to just engage with new, interesting people, interesting communicators that are doing some really cool things and solving some really interesting problems, and it really gets us outside of that bubble.